Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video on Technery.com. The brand Opera Factory makes its debut in India with the Audio Store. The brand Opera Factory introduces 4 new wired in-ear monitors for bass lovers on the Audio Store platform. So they have launched 2 new series. So the Opera Factory OM series, the brand has launched 2 models in this series. These are the OM3 wired IEM coppers and OM1 on the road. OM3 is equipped with 10mm beryllium dynamic drivers. The OM1 is having 10mm single dynamic drivers. Both these devices are tuned for sound warm and relaxed audio as per the brand. These devices are made for pleasant sound for enjoying all the genres like EM, classical, jazz, folk, contemporary, soft rock, acoustics, etc. There are advanced driver casings. These devices come with detachable cables with 0.78mm, 2-pin gold-plated connector which are made from the high-quality materials. They have also introduced the Opera Factory OS series. The series consists of 2 devices known as junior models, Opera Factory OS1 Pro with mic and OS1 wired with mic. These devices are able to produce powerful deep bass and crisp clear highs using 10mm graphene diaphragm. You can enjoy the stereo, HD and acoustic sound quality which is good for workouts, sports, running, etc. This series is unique and ergonomic. It has comfort fit design which will never fall out while running or jogging. The noise isolation is up to 50%, also providing superior comfort as per the brand. The Opera Factory OS1 comes with detachable cable with 0.7mm, 2-pin gold-plated connector, and the OS1 has a fixed cable which cannot be replaced. These are available in red and blue and black color variants. Opera Factory OS1 Pro price is INR 2999. Opera Factory OS1 price is INR 2499 and the Opera Factory OM3 price is INR 4999, whereas the Opera Factory OM1 price is 3499. So apart from these 2 series, they also have Opera Factory OFC 5IS IEM cable. This is a replacement cable for the OM series and the OS1 Pro. It is having a built-in mic and volume controls, and the wires are made from the strong and durable 5N 99.999% purity OFC, which is oxygen-free copper. These are 1.2 meters cable with L shape, 3.5 millimeters audio jack, and 0.78 millimeters 2-pin gold-plated connectors. The OM series does not have inline controls and mic on the stock cables. The customers can purchase this OFC 5IS IEM cable and replace the original stock cable to get these features. This cable is available in a transparent case and comes with a back volume and mic closure. Open Factory OFC 5IS IEM cable is priced at Rs 1499. So if you want to purchase any of these devices, you can check out the Audio Store and you can purchase them. So for more such interesting tech news and gadget reviews, do check out our website which is technery.com. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Also follow us on Instagram which is technery.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.